Hey there, it's Amazon. It's Amazon Prime Days from the 8th until the 14th of July. And in this video, I'm gonna count down my 9 favorite deals for action cameras and video making that you just might wanna check out. At number 1, the first thing you might wanna look at is the amazing DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. For Amazon Prime Days, you can get the standard combo for $458. Now this is a great camera, films up to 4K at up to 120 frames per second. It's got 47 gig of onboard storage and it is my very favorite camera to use at the moment. And it's a great deal during this Amazon Prime Day. Okay, number 2 on my list is the DJI Mic Mini microphone set. Normally it's $245, but for Amazon Prime Days, it's down to $186, which is a smashing deal. For that price, you get 2 of these little microphones like I'm using right now. You get a receiver, you get an adapter so you can plug it into your phone if you need to, or into your computer. It's such an amazing little microphone system. It's so small, it's so compact, and its pickup is amazing. Did a video about this one a while ago. I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to check it out, but I would highly recommend this one here as one of the very best deals for Amazon Prime Days 2025. Now, if you're more into GoPro, you might want to check out the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Now this one came out at the end of 2023. It's still a great camera. It films up to 5.3K. And for this Amazon Prime Days, it's going out for $504. That's a really great deal from an excellent camera. Now, if it's sunny where you are, you might really be interested in number 4, which is the Telison floating selfie stick with Bluetooth. So what you can do is you can actually use this with your GoPro Hero, it's only for GoPro cameras, and you can attach it to this floating selfie stick, take it down the beach, and even when you're underwater, you can actually use the selfie stick to record videos or take photographs. It's a very, very cool little accessory. I made a video about it a short while ago when it was warmer, and as in like not winter, and it's a great little accessory, and it's running out for about $31 Australian during this Amazon Prime Day. Now, number 5 on my list is a great accessory to take with you if you want to protect your camera gear. It's the Telison carry case or carry bag for action cameras, including GoPros, Osmo Action 5 Pros, and of course, the other ones that are out there, the Insta360s as well. It's a great little kit. It's got soft lining in it. It's got little partitions where you can actually put your cameras and your accessories. It has like a nice zip on the side of it. It's got a carry handle, and it's a great way to sort out your gear and makes it super easy if you are traveling. Made a video about this one a while ago as well. It's going for about $21 Australian during Amazon Prime deals, which is a great deal and a really good investment when it comes to looking after your precious camera gear. If you want to use one of your action cameras as a dash cam, or maybe you just want to do some filming when you're out traveling in your vehicle, you might want to check out the Telison 360 suction cup mount, which you can actually attach to your windshield or even your car when you're out traveling around. It's a great little unit. It's really handy if you want to say film what's in front of you, or even you can use the little swivel mount to turn the camera around so it's facing you, and you can record your footage to it quickly and simply and easily. Made a video about this one a little while ago as well. It's a really good little unit, and it's going out for a great deal this Amazon Prime Day. If you're into swimming or diving, you are gonna love this next accessory from Telison. It's the Telison waterproof case for your GoPro Hero. Now, this kit actually comes with 3 handy filters, which you can use depending on the type of water that you're going to be, say, scuba diving in or snorkeling in. And for this Amazon Prime deals, it comes for a great price at about $23 Australian, and it's definitely worth checking out if you love doing things down at the beach. Now, this might seem a little bit of an unusual inclusion here, but I tell you what, it's definitely a really worthwhile accessory. It's this little item here, which is a power bank, but actually has 3 little USB-A ports on the back of it. So you can charge up to 3 items at the one time. During Amazon Prime Days, this little bad boy during Amazon Prime Days, you can get 3 of these little fellas for $15.99. So the whole pack, a pack of 3 only costs you $15.99. And with everything being USB nowadays, having an accessory like this is super handy. And of course, this is a great deal and one that won't stay around for forever. All right, so the last thing on my list is the Abbas Studio lighting kit. Now this lighting kit comes with the tripod, it comes with the softbox, it comes with the lamp, and it comes with a really handy remote controller, which means you can actually quickly and easily adapt the lighting to whatever your circumstance is. I use this in my studio, if you can call it that. Use it in my studio all the time. It does a really great job and it's a really awesome deal, around about $50 Australian during Amazon Prime days, which is a great deal for getting the tripod and the softbox and the light and this awesome remote control. Well, that's it. That's my top 9 selections for tech and action camera oriented stuff during this year's Amazon Prime days, which runs from the 8th of July until the 14th. Did you find a favorite in there? I hope so. If you want any more details, I'll put links to previous videos I made on a lot of these pieces of gear down in the description down below, so you can check them out yourself at a later date. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.